In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cover letter with Claude AI. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly generate a strong first draft of a cover letter using AI. This is especially helpful if you want to save time, overcome writer's block, or create a professional structure that you can customize afterward. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. Starting in a fresh chat is useful because it gives you a clean workspace and helps Claude focus only on the task you want it to complete. Once you're on the new chat screen, you'll be ready to enter your instructions. In the message box, type a sample prompt asking Claude to create a cover letter. Be as clear as possible about what you want. For example, you can ask it to write a professional cover letter for a specific job title, industry, or type of company. If you already know the role you're applying for, it's a good idea to mention that in your prompt so the response feels more targeted and relevant. You can also include useful context like your experience level, key skills, or the tone you want, such as formal, confident, or concise. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result usually will be. If your prompt is too general, Claude may give you a cover letter that sounds broad or generic. So take an extra moment here to make your request detailed enough to match your needs. Think of this as giving the AI the raw material it needs to create something more polished and personalized. Once you've entered your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a cover letter based on the instructions you provided. After it appears, read through the draft carefully. Even if the result looks strong right away, it's always smart to review the wording and make sure it reflects your background accurately. AI can help create the structure and wording, but your final version should still sound like you and match the job you're applying for. That's the full process. You open a new chat, enter a clear prompt, requesting a cover letter, and press Enter to generate it. From there, you can refine the draft as needed before using it in your application materials. Using Claude in this way can make cover letter writing faster and less stressful, especially when you need a strong starting point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.